Oh, yes.
Meanwhile, aboard the Cajun Queen, Pierre LeBlanc, known by his fellow anglers as Scaly Pete.
Daddy hunting sharks. I hunt sharks. It's in the blood. There was somebody bad at this, you'll be following them, yeah? Oh, people who got a lot of wrong ideas about sharks. Scientists say how we gotta coexist. Now, how you gonna coexist with that shark, huh? Shark just wanna do one thing. That's kill you, eat you, and you out. What I do, I consider a sacred honor. Kill them all if I could. Too bad, ain't but 24 hours to a day.
Shark spotted in Fate Bay. Several deaths reported. Shark can be identified by rusty harpoon embedded in flank.
Get out of my way. Got a job to do.
God damn.
This is an adult bull shark. Fast, fierce, and armed quite literally to the teeth, she has little to fear here in the Gulf. The muscular marvel confidently moves through its watery world.
Shark. Press and hold. Num.
The Predator's 350 fearsome teeth are put on full display.
You can tail with left bumper and knockback and stun targets. Huh. I whip my tail back and forth. Yippee! Oh, okay, I see.
Exhibiting behavior more common to a thresher shark, this bull makes creative use of her powerful tail.
Okay.
A shark fin is a sinister reminder to humans that the ocean remains a wild and untamed domain.
You can jump.
The bull performs an
Aha.
acrobatic feat worthy of an orca, cruelly imprisoned and put on display in a marine park stunt show.
What was that? Dolphin? Oh, it's a seal.
The big fish plunges to the ocean below. The bull's speed is astounding for a large marine predator.
Num num num. Lunge.
A breaching shark is a rare and calorie-intensive spectacle.
Num num num. Num num num. I ran. Hold LT on an object and press. Okay, what is that? I'll whip you. Hold. Oh, RT on an object. And then. Okay, gotcha. Fuck your boat. I can whip them. Where are you? There was another person around. There you are. Oh no, that's a fish. Where does they go? Oh, perfect. Come here, buddy boy. No, don't you beat yourself. I'm coming for you. Come on. You know you want to. That's it. Oh, there you are. Hi.
While it is well known that sharks feed on
Nom, nom,
mollusks, fish, and seals, less discussed is their propensity to feed.
Whee! Ah. Okay, cool. Nom, nom. Smack. 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 No. Bottom. Yum. Whee! Need a few more. I wonder. Yum. Man, I would shit myself if I fucking saw a shark do that. Not that's it. I ain't going on to the beach.
The Predator surveys that it must be emphasized that this sort of targeted violence is quite unusual for a shark.
Scaly Pete sent hunters after you.
Work on their nose. Go get him, Chad.
Good luck, buddy. Okay.
How you doing there, Shark?
Nom, 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 nom. Fuck your boat. Come here.
Got Chad. Kenny, knock him down, partner.
Come here.
Hey, we. She putting up a fight for sure.
Nom, 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 nom. There it is. Come here.
Derek,
There you are. Where's the last boat?
She's sure making a lot of splashes.
Ah, there it is. Gimme! Gimme!
Their excessive and dangerous lifestyle often results in serious injury for the shark.
No! Need to eat some fishy. Come here.
I ain't paying no more. Catch me this shark myself. Oh, look at them teeth. Ooh, she gonna make quite a mantelpiece.
I'll fight you.
Got us some dinner coming, boys.
Oh.
Let's get her up on deck, huh?
Didn't even give me a chance!
On board the Cajun Queen, Scaly Pete looks over the catch of the day.
Yeah, this my daddy's iron, all right. But this ain't the shark. Not the one I was looking for.
How do you know?
How I know? Not big enough. This look like a mega to you.
Oh.
Oh, looky here. She's on for me. Hello! How your mama and them?
Whoa! But why'd you do that?
So I can identify her next time I see her. When I spear her.
Fuck you!
The tiny pup responds with an instinct for survival.
Gamma.
Alright, there we go.
According to the county a famous big game hunter once posited that after an animal had tasted human flesh, it forsakes its natural prey in a deadly single-minded search for the most dangerous game.
Required elder. Okay. What's that way? I see a turtle. Yum. Oh, I see. I level up. Okay, gotcha.
Remember, when planning a cemetery, try to avoid high-risk coastal areas.
I look like a derpy ass shark. Just yay! Come here. Come here, fishy. No. What else is there? Grouper. Come here, catfish. Num num. What's this?
Bull sharks have a habit of gobbling up anything that finds its way into the water.
Yeah, that sounds about right. That's why you see, like, sharks, when they get cut open, they have license plates and shit. No thoughts, just nom nom? Yeah. My friend Blue, the one that does my PNG tuber and shit, she has a shark character, and I think this kind of just like made me want to play sharks. Num. Come here, fish. Num num num. Okay, so is this basically telling me that what I'm going to go hunt for is a giant? Like an apex predator? Ooh, what's this? Ooh. New evolution.
Quiet space is the ideal stage for the shark to meditate and harness her pure potentiality.
Huh. Press A to equip your advanced sonar. Spend nutrients to upgrade your evolutions. Okay. Oh, I see the bioelectric body. Ah, so okay, if I kill these people, they give me that kind of stuff. Awesome.
The muskellunge, or muskie, exhibiting behavior more common to whales and dolphins. This shark is able to use biosonar to locate potential prey.
Can I exit this way? No, I can't. I'm guessing this is my safe haven area. Ooh, open areas.
I have one of those new pop-up tub stoppers at home. Let me tell you, those things are just a magnet for hair.
Come here. Come here, you're not escaping from me. Ugh. I'm a bigger shark now. Yippee. Come here. No, you're not running from me.
The muskellunge, or muskie, is a freshwater fish commonly found throughout the Great Lakes region, so I have no idea what it's doing here.
It is being a pain in my ass is what it's doing. What does that sound? Bark. catfish go? There it is. Almost level 3. Fishy, fishy, fishy. See, let destroy the target. What? Oh, I see. Oh, I'm probably not even going to be able to reach that. What else can I do? Ooh. Eat. Bait. Eat their favorite prey. Okay, I see. Oh. Oh! That's a fucking... Okay. I'm in bad territory. Okay, swim away. Swim away. Swim, shark! Leave me alone! That ads are not starting shortly. The fuck? Are you still following me? No, that's a new one, okay. So I'm gonna have to level myself up just a little bit. Yum. Hmm. Come here, turtle. Little more.
From Galapagos to Malaysia, sea turtles live all over the world. But only the trashy ones live in Daytona.
Okay, now can I try and get that? Nope, okay. Bitch! I'm numb. Fuck you. Okay. The ads aren't starting now. Hang on. Let me just quickly disable these ads things, because they are way out of fucking time. There we go. Hello, Mr. Catfish.
If a group of consenting adults wants to perform cryptic rites to shadow forth the prophecy of the great old ones, who am I to judge?
So they have Cthulhu, okay. Ooh, I'm not fucking with you, buddy. I want to eat it. Come here, turtle. Come here. Okay, right. Not seeing any any other things I can get. Oh, catfish, hello. You're my... Oh. There we go. Is there anything else around here? I'll be able to get that. What's that? What is this? Another bayou? A thingamajiggy? Aha!
The grotto provides a brief respite from the Sturm und Drang of the Gulf.
Oh, okay, cool. Tiger body. Like the tiger shark, often called the garbage can of the ocean. This evolution allows you to digest nearly anything. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I can upgrade these. That costs 8,000. Oh, I see. Okay. Now I should be able to eat more things and level up. Like that. Oh, okay, I see. They also show the resources they give you. Nice! Come here, turtle. I need you. You need to be able to have a way to make you swim faster. Good god. I feel slow as fuck. Hello, Mr. Turtle. Num num. I gotta be careful where I go to, because I don't know where the fuck that crocodile is. I feel like I'm getting pretty close to where he might be. Nope. Okay, so this is where I started. Hello, turtle.
An enormous portion of the shark's brain real estate is dedicated to smell.
I wonder if I could take those things out. What are they, just lights? Okay. Num num.